We've all been there, staring at a spiderweb of cracks on our favorite device, thinking it's destined for the tech graveyard. But what if reviving it was as simple as swapping out a few components? That's exactly the promise of the TM070RDKP18 and TM070RDKP1800 LCD screen replacement, paired with its accompanying touchpads. This isn't just about fixing a broken screen. It's about restoring your device to its former glory, or perhaps even better. When you first get your hands on this replacement, the quality is immediately apparent. The LCD panel itself feels robust, not flimsy like some aftermarket parts can be. Installation, while always requiring a steady hand and a bit of patience, felt surprisingly straightforward for a component of this nature. The connectors snapped into place with a reassuring click, suggesting a precise manufacturing process. But the real magic happens when you power it on. The display lights up with a vibrancy that genuinely impressed me. Colors are rich and accurate, blacks are deep, and the brightness levels are more than adequate for various lighting conditions. It's crisp, clear, and honestly, it felt like looking at a brand new screen, perhaps even an upgrade from the original in terms of clarity. There's no noticeable pixelation or dead spots, which is a huge win for any replacement part. Then there are the touchpads. This is where many replacements fall short, but not here. The responsiveness is fantastic. Swiping, pinching, tapping, every gesture registers instantly and accurately. There's no lag, no ghost touches, just smooth, fluid interaction. It truly feels like the original, if not more responsive in some instances. It's incredibly satisfying to navigate through menus and apps without any frustrating delays or missed inputs. This combination of a high-quality LCD and responsive touchpads transforms a once-damaged device into a fully functional, enjoyable piece of tech again. It breathes new life into something you might have given up on. For anyone looking to repair their TM070RDKP18 or TM070RDKP1800 compatible device, this replacement kit offers a compelling solution. It's a fantastic option that delivers on its promise of a premium repair experience, making your device feel brand new.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.